So y'all saw the hoses that I gotta put on here. Ain't no need to see me, just know I'm the one doing it. And this gotta come off here. This is a new piece that's on here. This one gotta come off. It rotted out. Yep, it rotted out. So we're gonna take this off. I actually could use a screwdriver. I don't have my razor out here, so we just have to roll with what I got. Why don't I just use the screwdriver? Don't want to damage nothing. I'll be highly upset if I damage this. So let's see if we could get this off by hand without cracking the plastic. Then I'm gonna really have to go straight rubber hose and start piecing this thing together. That's something we can't afford. So you gotta put a little muscle into it. It's really some stupid pieces. See that? Get that pried up. And it's off like that. So what I'm gonna do is put this new end on here, and I'm gonna have to clamp it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clamps should do it. So we're gonna slide this over here like so, and I'm gonna put I'm gonna slide this sleeve over top of this, and then I'm gonna go over this hump here. So instead of just putting 1 clamp here, thanks to Raymond, I'm gonna put 1 clamp after it as well, so I know it's on there. All right. So now, and that's gonna be the same for that side. So 1 here, 2 here actually, and then the piece that goes on here. So hopefully I'll show y'all this. This is the one that goes up over that. And once I put this on there, this should, work the way it's supposed to. But just in case, we're gonna use a second clamp, which I gotta open up these clamps now. So got the clamps. So I'm gonna start them ahead of time, and this is gonna go up here like so, right? And then down. I could run this under like they had it, but I'm gonna leave this on top so it's easy access, people. So I'm gonna make sure I put this clamp on first. So let's get this clamp on first, and then you want to position your clamp the right way, so when you go to screwing it on, it's not hard to access. And it should be, it might be at max release. There we go. That might look and feel like that's max release. I hope not. Okay, there we go. So that one is on there. And we're gonna bring this all the way up here ahead of time. So I brought this one past it. So what we'll do is put one here. And actually, this screwdriver is a bit on the wacky side, but it should get the job done. You don't want to go too tight because you don't want to crack the plastic that this is over. Just enough to seal it. As long as you can't turn it, I don't think no air will get under. Let me get one more. That's it, I don't want to overdo that. So, how I said I'm gonna have it, which I'm gonna have to turn it just a little bit. I gotta loosen it up and turn it down. So y'all with me this whole process, loosen it up. Shift it down some. So that's about right there. Matter of fact, and when I said loosen it up to bring it, also make sure you got this, just in case you ever have to take this off. So I'm gonna spin this and see where this is positioned at. Actually, oh, I'm never gonna get that. I will with a little wrench. So a little wrench will be able to get that. So I'll leave it there in case I gotta get a little wrench on here. And it'll be upside down or top side. Let me see. Easy access would be this way. All right, so I'm gonna leave it like this. And make sure you don't poke yourself with your own tools. And I just started bleeding. Y'all see that? Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Got on work shirt. That is sealed. Now, the second one, loosen that up. All right. Yep, y'all with me on this whole journey. Funny thing is, people, is that this did not have a, it didn't have a washer on it from the start, on the original. So this should just slide over, and I'll get a longer screwdriver to put that over that. All right, so I'm gonna push this down over. I'll start this one now. Now that is over that, and this one is just gonna go just like this, right up over top of that, and I'll put the clamps on. So we can cut the video, now you know that this is on.